my name is Shane Diaz, and I would like to tell you about my bluebird of Angry Birds Rio. Now, here is the beak, and here are the wings, and here is the other one, and here's the top right here, and here's the bottom, and it also makes sounds on the top. Okay, so here's the nose right, but I don't know if you can see that though, but okay. And here's the chin right here, and here are its eyes. There's the eyes right there, and that's it. And I also have a lot more, but I would like to tell you tomorrow. Goodbye.